Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that's fundamentally reshaping our field: why machine learning has become essential for traditional software engineers. The landscape of software development is undergoing a seismic shift, and this transformation isn't just about new tools or technologies. It's about redefining what it means to be a software engineer in the age of AI. I want to share with you not just the compelling data behind this shift, but also what it means for your career, your skill set, and your future. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this is a conversation you can't afford to miss. The current state of AI adoption. Let me start with some remarkable numbers that highlight just how pervasive AI has become. After years of steady adoption, hovering around 50%, AI implementation has suddenly jumped to 72% across organizations globally. This isn't just a Silicon Valley phenomenon. We're seeing this surge in nearly every region and industry worldwide. The professional services sector, think consulting, legal, and accounting firms, has experienced the most dramatic increase in adoption. Why? Because AI is no longer just a tool for tech companies. It's becoming a strategic advantage for businesses of all kinds. But what's even more striking is the depth of this transformation. Recent data from IDC shows that organizations increased their spending on AI infrastructure by 37% year-over-year in early 2024, reaching a staggering $31.8 billion. This isn't just superficial investment. We're seeing sustained double-digit growth for 9 consecutive half-years. This tells us one thing: AI is here to stay, and it's accelerating. The scale of investment. Let me break down these numbers further to give you a sense of the scale we're talking about. The global AI infrastructure market is projected to exceed $100 billion by 2028. That's not just a number. It's a signal of how deeply AI is embedding itself into the fabric of our economy. Cloud and shared environments are leading this charge, accounting for 65% of server spending in AI. What's particularly interesting for us as software engineers is that servers with embedded accelerators, the kind optimized for AI platforms, are growing at an astounding 63% rate. This isn't just about faster hardware. It's about creating the foundation for a new era of software development. Global impact. This transformation is truly global in scope. The United States leads with almost half of the total AI infrastructure spending, followed by China at 23%, Asia-Pacific at 16%, and Europe, the Middle East, and Africa at 10%. But here's the kicker. The Asia-Pacific region is expected to grow the fastest over the next 5 years, with a 20% compound annual growth rate. What does this mean for us? It means that AI is no longer confined to a few tech hubs. It's becoming a global phenomenon, and as software engineers, we need to think beyond borders. The opportunities are everywhere, but so is the competition. Job market implications. Now, let's talk about what this means for our careers. The World Economic Forum projects that by 2025, we'll see 97 million new AI and ML-related roles globally. Let that sink in for a moment. 97 million new roles. That's not just a number, that's a call to action. In the US alone, the demand for AI and ML specialists has grown by 344% since 2015. According to Statista, global spending on AI systems will exceed $300 billion by 2026. This isn't just a trend, it's a tidal wave reshaping the job market. But here's the thing: this isn't just about AI specialists. Traditional software engineers are increasingly expected to have a working knowledge of machine learning. Why? Because AI is becoming a core component of software development. Whether you're building a mobile app, a web platform, or an enterprise system, machine learning is likely to play a role. Industry transformation. This isn't just about tech companies anymore. We're seeing AI integration across every sector. In healthcare, AI is powering diagnostic tools, improving patient care, and even predicting outbreaks before they happen. In finance, it's revolutionizing fraud detection, trading systems, and personalized banking experiences. In retail, it's transforming inventory management through predictive analytics and creating hyper-personalized shopping experiences. In manufacturing, AI-driven predictive maintenance is saving billions in downtime costs and optimizing supply chains. What's common across all these industries? Software is at the heart of this transformation, and as software engineers, we're the ones who will bring these innovations to life. Skills in demand. So, what does this mean for us as software engineers? It means we need to expand our toolkit. Beyond our traditional programming skills, we need to understand machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch cloud AI platforms, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, AI, the mathematical foundations that underpin these technologies, and crucially, how to integrate these tools into our existing systems. But here's the good news. You don't need to become a data scientist overnight. Start small. Learn the basics of machine learning. Experiment with open-source tools. Build a project that incorporates AI. The key is to start now, because the demand for these skills is only going to grow. The opportunity ahead. Let me leave you with this thought. Machine learning is no longer optional for software engineers. It's becoming as fundamental as version control or database management. The companies investing in these technologies aren't just the tech giants. They're our clients, our employers, and our future opportunities. The question isn't whether to embrace machine learning, but how quickly we can adapt to this new reality. As software engineers, we've always been at the forefront of technological change. This is our next frontier. Call to action. So, what can you do today? Here are 3 actionable steps. 1. Start learning. Pick a machine learning course or tutorial and dedicate time to it every week. 2. Build something. Apply what you've learned to a small project. It doesn't have to be perfect, just start. 3. Stay curious. Follow industry trends, join communities, and engage with others who are on this journey. The future belongs to those who are willing to adapt, learn, and grow. And as software engineers, we have a unique opportunity to shape that future. Let's embrace it together. Recap. Thank you for listening. I hope this talk has inspired you to take the next step in your journey with machine learning. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Let's go build the future.